Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about lambda expressions in Java which were introduced with Java version 8. The lambda expressions comes in very handy when we are dealing with functional interfaces in the program. A functional interface is an interface that exactly has one method. So in that type of situation, in the world without lambda expressions, you would end up creating multiple classes to offer different experience to the method. So you would end up creating classes which will implement the interface, and then you will define the experience for that single method in the interface. That type of code will become very messy, and that is where lambda expression comes in handy to make your code look more clear and concise. Let's understand it with some examples. For example, I have this class in my code, hello world anonymous classes, and in that what I have one functional interface which is hello world interface. It has one method only, and in the another method within this class I have a local class where I'm declaring the class traditionally the way you have seen it in books, etc. And then I have a couple of anonymous classes. Anonymous classes, like, you don't have to declare and instantiate a class at the same time, and you can declare a class as an expression. Like, you are saying here that you are building a class French greeting, and this is how the object should get instantiated. So that's what we're doing. So now you see the problem here, like if I have to greet someone in French, I have one implementation. If I have to greet someone in Spanish, I have another implementation, and so on and so forth. I will end up creating multiple classes depending upon what my program is trying to do. Whereas with Lambda, what I could do is that when I need an English functionality for that particular method, I could just create a class, my app object, my app1, which is of type hello world, that functional interface that we just saw. And the my app1 greet someone will have this functionality because that's only one method, and the functionality of that is defined by this. So now I have that the English that I was getting through the classes, different classes. And if I have to do the French implementation, I could just change this word here, and obviously I could put it in I could create a lambda within blocks and add more functionality to it. The point is that by just writing this, I'm avoiding creating those unnecessary class declarations that I was doing for this example. Now that's just one example. Now let's say you have another class with the name interface math function, and you have do math as a method in here, and based on different situations you want that formula to change. So one option is that you would create multiple class implementations, and you would define whatever logic you want to do there. For example, here I'm just doing n square, and here I'm doing n cube. So I could just simply do it by these expressions. Then another very good use of lambda expressions is, and you would use it with the stream API. So what happens is that, say for example, I have this list here, which is an immutable list of these three values, hello, hi, and welcome. And I want to quickly iterate through each of the list item. And when I iterate, I want to perform some action. So I could pass the functionality as an argument here with lambda expression, which makes life very easy. So these are the key use cases of lambda expression. Now we'll just run the program and I will show you the outcome. So with this, it was doing an English hello, and then French hello, and then Spanish hello. And then with Lambda expressions, we did just the hello world. So it was able to do hello world print here. And then n square of value 5, I declared I as 5 here. And then n cube, ignore this one for now. And then what I'm doing, I'm running a parallel stream and stream. And in the case of parallel stream, Java optimizes the stream functions in parallel forms. So it will spin up multiple streams for this particular collection. So you might see different results, which means that you may see this list a little bit jumbled up because all of these items are handled parallelly. And that is why you see first as hi world, and then you see welcome, and then you see hello. Whereas if you do it in sequential manner, which is using the stream API, you would always see hello, hi, and welcome. So that's the difference of stream API. But yeah, focusing more on Lambda expressions, you can pass the Lambda expressions as functionality in a method. That's the power of Lambda expressions. All right, that's all I had to share for Lambda expressions. I will create another video for method reference examples. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you have any questions and I will get back to you.